Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter goal of Indian Development Plan, that is economic planning in India. Before we discuss the type of economic system, now we discuss the need for economic planning in India. India obtained for a comprehensive planning involving direct participations of the government in the process of growth development, which covered both the economic, agriculture, industry, infrastructure and trade, and social, which include the educations, health, housing and sphere of growth. For the first time, India declared herself as the mixed economic through the industrial policy statement of the 1948 and directive principles of Indian Constitution. It was further confirmed by the 1956 and 1977 and other industrial policy revolutions. Our first 5 year plan states that economic planning is an initial way of organizing and utilizing the resources to the maximum advantage in the terms of the defined social end. We experience the world over suggests that market forces were inadequate, insufficient, and incapable of meeting the challenge and problem of the Indian economy. It was the realized that solutions to the problem would require an active role of the state in the economic development. It was from this viewpoint of view the independent India choose the path of economic planning to achieve the following objective, that is to break the vicious cycle of poverty, to promote the social interest over individual interest, for optimum utilizations of all the available resources, to build social and economic infrastructure where the private sector incentive is not the forthcoming, to increase the rate of capital formation. To initial success of economic planning is the USR also played an important part in the adopting and popularizing the concept of planning in India, removing the economic inequality, controlling economic fluctuations, and other such reasons promote our leader to adopt the path of economic planning in India. Planning Commission. Immediately after the adoptions of a new constitution on the 26th January 1950, the Planning Commission came into existence. The Government of India constituted Planning Commission in March 1950. Then the Prime Minister was its first chairman. According to the Planning Commissions, economic planning means utilizations of a country resources into a different development activities in according with the national priority. The board function of planning commission among other were assessment, allocation, effectiveness utilizations of material, capital and human resources according to the priority of the nations. The commissions has suggested development of 5 year plan. Till now we have completed a 12 5 year plan 1951 to 2017, developed, educated and monitored by the public planning commission. Now, Niti Aayog. On January 1st, 2015, the Government of India constituted Niti Aayog, means and national institution for transforming India, with the Prime Minister its ex-office chairman to replace the planning commissions instituted in 1950. Niti Aayog is policy think tank of the Government of India that aim to involve the state in economic policy making in India. The main difference between the Niti Aayog and Planning Commission is that Niti Aayog will providing strategy and technical advice to the central and state government by adopting bottom approach and rather than traditional top down approach in the Planning Commission. Thank you.